Hello, my name is Widad Arif Abdillah. I was born in Bekasi, 22nd July. Currently, I live in Lampung and studying geological engineering at Sumatera Institut of Teknologi. These are my friends. Their names are Septi, Jihan, Nuzul, Ardi, Nanda, and Reda. Believe it or not, we have experienced earthquake, but we can handle it. So, this is the story.
Hi guys, do you feel that there are so many incidents happen recently?
Yeah, I've seen so many news on TV.
What did you see?
I see a great news.
What was ever happened? I don't know about that. Really? Seriously? It was viral recently?
Well, it's happened in Palembang.
Yeah, it is. There are so many victims because this disaster. But most of them has been evacuated.
Oh, thank God. I hope there will be no more disaster like this.
Yeah, I hope so.
What will you do if this happens?
Don't think anything, just run! Oh my goodness!
Don't be panic and avoid pushing each other.
After the earthquake, all of us are fine, but one thing for sure is that we always have to prepare for the worst thing that could possibly happen. It is really important to educate ourselves with basic survival skills.
We will take shelter under strong constructed materials.
Run calmly but in a fast movement. Follow the direction of evacuation plan. This way.
If you're outside, find a clear field without any tree or building.
Don't take picture, video, just run.
After the earthquake, all of us are fine, but one thing for sure is that we always have to prepare for the worst thing that could possibly happen. It's really important to educate ourselves with basic survival skills.
Let's